Welcome to the journey, beginning at the quaint Southfields tube station, nestled in the heart of the Wimbledon suburb. This District Line station, with its iconic red and blue roundel, serves as our gateway to a world of art, culture and history. As we depart Southfields, we're swept into the hustle and bustle of London's underground. The rhythm of the city pulses around us, each stop a heartbeat in the life of this metropolis. Passing through East Putney and Putney Bridge, the world outside the carriage windows transformed from residential tranquility to urban vibrancy. The carriage doors open at High Street, Kensington, a hub of shopping and dining. From here, our journey continues above ground. We find ourselves strolling through the tree-lined avenues of Kensington Gardens, where the city's noise fades into a distant hum, replaced by the soothing rustle of leaves. The site of the Victoria and Albert Museum looms on the horizon, a majestic monument to human creativity. This grand edifice, named after Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, houses a collection of over 2 million objects that span over 5,000 years of art, design and culture. Stepping into the museum, we're immediately drawn into a different world. Each room, each exhibit tells a story. From the delicate intricacies of Renaissance art, the bold strokes of Impressionism, to the avant-garde expressions of contemporary design, the museum is a testament to the human spirit's ability to create and inspire. Venturing deeper, we encounter the world's largest collection of post-classical sculpture, the extensive holdings of Asian art, and the largest and most comprehensive collection of dress in the world. Each piece, each artifact, whispers tales of a time, a place, a people. As we exit the museum, we carry with us not just the memory of a journey, but an appreciation for the rich tapestry of human creativity. From Southfields Tube Station to the Victoria and Albert Museum, we've traversed not just city streets, but the corridors of time and culture. In summary, this journey has been an exploration of contrasts, from the modernity of Southfields Tube Station to the timeless beauty of the Victoria and Albert Museum, from the rush of the city to the quiet of Kensington Gardens. The museum visit, a voyage through the epochs of human creativity, leaves us with a profound sense of awe and respect for the enduring power of art and design.